Hi, my name is Rod Tekovic and I'm from R&T Fence, and we're going to put a aluminum railing on a vinyl deck which is 10 by 16. The material is supplied by fence-depot.com. We're going to show you how to do it.
Okay, the first thing you want to do here is locate your post. Make sure that they're going to hit the rim joists of your deck, so they go through the vinyl and catch the wood. So I went in, measured in down here to center my joist, and then move my point up to here. Have yourself a level. Once you get these bolted in, you're going to have to level this. If it's not level, I'm taking washers and spacing underneath each one to make this level. Then push back in. Okay, this section here is almost 12 foot here, 11 foot something. So they come in 10-foot sections the longest. We're going to put two 6-foot sections here, so I'm laying out a center post here to work out for the railing.
After you finish screwing it down, be sure you put your cover on first, because you will not be able to attach your side rails if you wait.
When you're setting these house posts, I'm keeping this 2 inches from the siding here. Make sure your cover plate can fit on there and you don't have an issue with being too close to it.
If this area is longer than 10 foot, we have to use two 6-foot sections, which we talked about earlier. So you measure in between the posts, and then you cut both ends of each section to fit in there so your picket spacing is even for each section.
Okay, my true measurement is 72 inches here on this total length. I need 68, so what I'm going to do is cut 2 inches off of each side to make it 68.
Now we have the section cut to fit in between the posts. You got to make sure that the bottom bracket is turned up and down because the post isn't wide enough to be able to put the screws in. And obviously the bread loaf style bracket goes on the top. We decided to use these bricks for our spacer, so it's getting us about 3.5 inches high off the deck. And then also you want to make sure that the screws are either in or out, so once you get it all up, it's all uniform. Alright, we took to get our top screw in here, we had to take out 2 spindles so we could run our drill in straight to get our screw in. Because it's pretty much impossible to put a screw in there when you have a short spacing between your picket and your post.
These are your caps, you're just putting them on, they just slide right on your top, tap them down on.
Put one of these screws in every one of the posts for support. Alright, these bottom plates will come with a long screw to secure them. Better if you tap this in and get it to mark. And then when you get a mark on it, raise them up, re-drill it. It's hard to drill through here. And once you tap that in, it should be able to go in like this and hold it in place there. And then you're done.
See how easy that was?
Yes.